Hello, I'm Jack Davis, and today I will be talking on fusion energy. Fusion energy is the future of energy production. It provides an almost unlimited source of energy due to the fuel being cheap and almost unlimited. Fusion energy is energy harvested from fusion reactions, which are the same reactions that occur in stars, including our own sun. The fuel used in these reactions is tritium and deuterium, which are both isotopes of hydrogen. Tritium has 3 neutrons and deuterium has 2. Tritium can be produced in the same reactors that fusion reaction occurs in, and deuterium can be found naturally in water. The two fuels are smashed together, forming a helium atom and a lot of energy. There is no radioactive waste like in nuclear power because helium is not radioactive. It can also be harvested and used in other techs such as MRI machines and cryogenics. There are 2 types of reactors in research right now. The tokamak reactor, which was originally designed by the Soviets, and it's very large and expensive and breaks down after about 10 years. It uses the heat from the reaction to turn water into steam, which turns a turbine. The second reactor is Helion's Polaris reactor, which uses magnetic fields to harvest energy from the reactions. It is a lot more durable, a lot cheaper and smaller, making it easier to produce a lot of energy in a small space. And the reactors can be turned into fuel production reactors, making the fuel even cheaper. Some of the current challenges that fusion energy faces is it needs a lot of energy to create the high temperatures to keep the reaction going. This is difficult because there's a lot of energy needed to start it, and it's hard to contain once the temperature gets that high. Another reason is that the reactors are very expensive because they use valuable metals such as rhodium in the reactors to keep the reaction going. One of the main things that would need to happen for fusion energy to be viable is finding cheaper materials that work the same as the expensive ones we have currently. There are many advantages and disadvantages to fusion energy. The disadvantages being mainly the challenges faced in research right now, but the advantages are they're cheap, it's an almost unlimited source of cheap energy, and it would solve our energy crisis. Both reactors are still currently about 10 years away from actually working, but if this is ever done, it would change the world as we know it. Energy would become a lot cheaper and there would be a lot less conflict over energy.